What if your brain craved studying the same way it craves your phone? Not willpower, not discipline, just craving it. Here's the wild part. Your brain can't tell the difference between Instagram and a textbook. It only speaks one language: dopamine. Every time you scroll, your brain gets a massive dopamine hit. Instant, easy, no effort. Then you sit down to study, and your brain screams, "This is boring. Go back to the fun stuff." You're not lazy. You're not broken. Your brain is just chasing the highest reward with the least effort. That's the trap, and most people never escape it. Here's the secret. Dopamine isn't pleasure, it's anticipation. It's your brain predicting a reward. So instead of fighting your cravings, redirect them. This is called the Dopamine Loading Method, and it works in 3 steps. Step 1. Deprive. 30 minutes before studying, no phone, no music, no stimulation, just silence. Your brain gets hungry. It starts craving any reward. Step 2. Prime. Before you open your book, close your eyes for 2 minutes. Visualize yourself understanding concepts, solving problems, feeling satisfied. Your brain starts releasing dopamine before you even begin. Step 3. Amplify. Every 25 minutes of study, take a small reward, a stretch, a walk, a sip of water, not scrolling, just enough to tell your brain studying comes with rewards. Now here's where it gets interesting. Days 1 through 3 will feel like torture. Your brain will resist hard. But on day 4 or 5, something shifts. Suddenly, solving a problem gives you a genuine rush. Understanding a concept feels like winning a game. You haven't changed the subject, you've changed your brain's reward map. That's the power of dopamine loading. You're not forcing focus, you're making your brain addicted to it. So, try this tomorrow. Wake up, don't touch your phone. 30 minutes of silence or a slow walk. 2-minute visualization, then open your books. Study in 25-minute blocks with low dopamine breaks, and after each block, celebrate. Say yes, fist pump, mean it. Repeat for 5 days. That's it. Just 5 days to rewire your brain. Your brain is already dopamine driven. The only question is, what is it addicted to? Right now, it's addicted to scrolling. In 5 days, it could be addicted to growing. The dopamine was always there. You're just redirecting it.